Hey again, this is Nick with the Happen Group. Today we're going to talk about mold prevention tips. One of the first things we're going to talk about is moisture. Always look for anywhere moisture can be, especially on windows. If you see condensation, make sure you frequently wipe those areas down to avoid standing water for long periods of time. Next thing you can do, keep the humidity levels in your home between 30 and 50%. Anything usually over 60% can promote mold growth. One of the most effective ways to reduce the humidity levels in your home is by using a dehumidifier, or on nice days you can open the window and let fresh air in. Another tip is to make sure you vent moisture generating items or appliances outside. Make sure these vents are operable and in good working order. In bathrooms, make sure you use an exhaust vent when you're taking a shower. Also, it's a good practice to run it for 15 minutes after you take a shower to remove any excess moisture. Another tip is to make sure you inspect your HVAC system frequently. You want to look for any kind of standing water or condensation on the unit itself. That could signify that there's an issue. The next tip, you want to avoid blocking your AC vents. These devices help to circulate air in the home. Probably the most important thing when it comes to preventing mold growth is to controlling moisture sources. That is, if you have a leak of any kind, you want to make sure that's repaired immediately. The main reason you want to repair it that quickly is because 48 hours after the material gets wet, mold growth can begin to occur. If and when that happens, repairs can become costly. If you have any kind of leak and your building materials get wet, you want to make sure you dry them out very quickly. Usually mold growth will start to occur within 24 to 48 hours. In most cases, you can use a moisture extraction machine or a dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from building materials. For wet building materials like carpet, things of that nature, you can always use a portable fan to assist with the dry out process. If the materials aren't dried out properly, you can expect to see mold growth in a short amount of time. Another tip is to not install carpet in moisture-prone areas, in the bathrooms, underneath water coolers, places like that. The last tip I'm going to share with you is to make sure you keep your gutters and downspouts clean. As always, thank you guys for watching, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos.